Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, our Krishna consciousness movement is teaching people to become submissive to the authority. That is the beginning of knowledge. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya. If you want to learn the transcendental subject matter, which is beyond the scope of your thinking, feeling and willing. Mental speculation means thinking, feeling and willing. Psychology. But subject matter which is beyond your thinking. So God or anything about God is beyond the limit of our thinking, speculation. Therefore, we have to learn it submissively. Tadvidhi pranipatena. Pranipat means submission. Prakrishti rupena nipat. Nipat means submission. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasna. First of all, find out somebody where you can fully surrender. Then you inquire about transcendental subject matter. Just like Arjuna is following strictly, he has first of all submitted to Krishna. Shishyastiham sadhimam prapannam. My dear Krishna, we are talking friendly, so on equal level. So you will speak something and I shall speak something. In this way we shall simply waste our time and there will be no conclusion. Therefore, I submit as disciple. Whatever he will say, I will accept. This is the first condition. First of all, find out such person upon whom you have full faith that whatever he will say, you will accept. That is Guru. If you think that you know better than your Guru, then there is no use. First of all, you find out the person, that one who is better than you. Then you submit. Therefore the rules and regulations are that nobody should accept blindly any Guru and nobody should blindly accept any desire. They must behave one another at least for 1 year, so that the prospective disciple can also understand whether I can accept this person as my Guru, and the prospective Guru also can understand whether this person can become my disciple. This is the instruction by Sanatana Goswami in his Hari Bhakti Vilas. So, here Arjuna has accepted Krishna as his Guru, and he submissively says that Prakritim Purusham Chaiva. Prakriti means nature, and Purusha means the exploiter of the nature. Just like we are in this material world, especially in the Western countries, they are very much fond of developing undeveloped countries. That means exploit. Or to become Purusha, enjoy. You Americans, you came from Europe, and now you have developed the whole America, very nice cities, towns, and very well developed. That is called the exploiting the resources. So Prakriti, nature, and we are living entities, especially the human being, they are Purusha. But actually, we are not enjoyer. We are false enjoyer. We are not enjoyer in this sense. Suppose you are Americans, you have developed this tract of land known as America very nicely, but you cannot enjoy. You are thinking that you are enjoying, but you cannot enjoy. After some time, you will be kicked out. Get out. Then how you are enjoying? You may think that at least for 50 years or 100 years I am enjoying. So you can say that you can enjoy, so-called enjoy, but you cannot be permanent enjoyer. That is not possible.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.